Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. Elevate your game with the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta, a midweight pickleball paddle designed for players who value precision and versatility. Engineered to deliver exceptional control, this paddle allows you to place every shot exactly where you want it, giving you a competitive edge on the court. Measuring 16.45 inches in length with a 5.35-inch handle, the LUXX Control Air Invikta provides extended reach and ample space for a two-handed backhand. Its fluorite carbon fiber face combined with a 20mm thick honeycomb core ensures accurate, consistent shots while still offering the power to drive the ball effectively. This advanced construction reduces air drag, allowing for faster swings and more responsive play, making every move feel effortless. Beyond performance, the paddle's sleek, modern design is built for comfort and durability. Its balanced weight distribution enhances maneuverability without compromising power, giving players confidence in every hit. Whether you're a competitive player or an enthusiastic amateur, this paddle adapts to your style, providing controlled precision for strategic plays and enough pop for dynamic drives. Currently offered at a reduced price, the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta combines quality, performance, and value. Its versatility makes it ideal for players who want a paddle that does it all: control, power, speed, and style. For anyone seeking a top-tier pickleball experience, this paddle is a standout choice and our pick for the best overall performance on the court. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Step onto the court with confidence with the Head Radical Elite, a wallet-friendly pickleball paddle that's perfect for players new to the game or anyone looking for a reliable, lightweight option. Designed to deliver precision and comfort without breaking the bank, this paddle strikes the ideal balance between playability and value. Featuring a honeycomb core and a fiberglass face, the Radical Elite provides consistent control and a forgiving surface for accurate shot placement. Its wide paddle face makes it easier to hit the ball cleanly, while the foam handle, similar in length to a standard tennis racket, ensures a comfortable grip for longer rallies and steady swings. Though the Radical Elite doesn't deliver the extreme power of high-end paddles, it excels in control, making it a perfect choice for beginners learning technique and positioning. Its lightweight construction allows for quick reactions, nimble volleys, and smooth, effortless swings, helping players build confidence on the court. At a retail price of around $70, the Radical Elite performs like a paddle in the $100 range, offering exceptional value for money. It's not only an ideal starter paddle but also a thoughtful gift for pickleball enthusiasts of all skill levels. Even experienced players can keep it as a reliable backup for casual play or practice sessions. With its combination of affordability, comfort, and control, the Head Radical Elite is the smart choice for anyone ready to embrace the fast-growing sport of pickleball without compromising on quality or performance. Number 3. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the Selkirk Power Air Epic, a premium paddle designed for competitive players who demand the ultimate in power, speed, and control. Used by pros on the PPA Tour, this elite paddle delivers performance that matches its epic name, making it ideal for those serious about their game. The Power Air Epic features an elongated handle and stand-shaped design, providing a generous hitting surface and optimal leverage for double-handed backhands. Its innovative air opening reduces drag and increases swing speed, giving your serves and volleys extra whip for maximum impact. Every shot feels effortless, precise, and controlled even at the fastest pace. Crafted for comfort and confidence, this paddle feels like holding a high-performance sports car in your hand. The cushioned, luxurious handle with extra wrapping at the end ensures a secure grip, while the smooth paddle edges reduce mishits and allow for cleaner returns even near the perimeter. Lightweight yet powerful, the Power Air Epic lets you react quickly while maintaining control over your shots. Designed exclusively for serious players, the Selkirk Power Air Epic combines advanced technology, sleek aesthetics, and unmatched craftsmanship in one high-performance paddle. Its sophisticated design signals that you're playing with the best equipment on the court, giving you both the confidence and performance edge to dominate your game. For players seeking elite precision, power, and responsiveness, this paddle is a must-have investment. Number 4. Onix Graphite Z5. Step up your pickleball game with the Onix Graphite Z5, a paddle trusted by pros and perfect for players of all skill levels. Designed for precision and control, the Z5 combines high-quality materials and thoughtful engineering to deliver consistent performance at an excellent value, retailing just under $100. Constructed with a graphite face and an Onix honeycomb core, the Z5 offers lightweight durability and a responsive feel that makes controlling each shot effortless. The graphite surface ensures clean ball contact, while the honeycomb core minimizes dead spots, giving you confidence on every hit. Its slightly elongated shape provides a generous hitting area, increasing your chances of clean returns and more consistent play. The Z5's well-balanced design feels comfortable in your hand, allowing for nimble wrist action and quick reflexes. Its powerful sweet spot makes serves and volleys feel precise and dynamic, letting you add spin or power as needed. Whether you're whipping the ball over the net or placing a delicate shot, this paddle adapts to your playing style seamlessly. Ideal for beginners but capable enough for intermediate and advanced players, the Onix Graphite Z5 is a versatile paddle that can grow with your skills. Its combination of graphite strength, honeycomb responsiveness, and thoughtful design makes it a long-lasting investment for your pickleball journey. For players seeking control, consistency, and professional-level performance without a premium price tag, the Graphite Z5 is a top pick. Number 5. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. Elevate your pickleball game with the JOOLA Ben John's Perseus paddle, designed in collaboration with Ben Johns, a PPA Tour legend with 123 career titles. Engineered for serious players, this paddle combines cutting-edge materials, innovative technology, and pro-level design to give you unmatched control, power, and precision on the court. The Perseus features a charged carbon surface that has been bond-treated for enhanced strength, delivering crisp, responsive shots with improved energy return. Every hit feels poppier, allowing for explosive line drives, drops, dinks, and counters. The patent-pending propulsion core provides unprecedented power, while the elongated paddle face expands the hitting surface and creates a massive sweet spot, meaning fewer missed shots and more consistent performance. Beyond performance, this paddle offers next-level connectivity. NFC chip-enabled, the Perseus integrates seamlessly with the JOOLA Connect app, giving you access to personalized training videos, gamification features, and a global pickleball community. Learn, compete, and refine your skills while tracking your progress, making every session both productive and engaging. Designed for players who demand the best, the JOOLA Ben John's Perseus paddle combines elite craftsmanship, advanced technology, and pro-approved performance. From beginners aiming high to competitive players seeking precision and power, this paddle delivers a superior playing experience. Step onto the court with the Perseus and play like a champion.